Hello mga Mi, good afternoon sa inyo. Welcome sa Module 4. So, Module 4 is core task of uh, eBay Virtual Assistants. The objective of this module is to learn the essential daily responsibilities of eBay Virtual Assistant and how to carry them out with efficient and professionalism. So, in this module mga mi, bali pag-aralan natin yung product research, creating listings, managing orders, answering buyer messages. And ayun, so sa product research, this is the process of finding profitable in-demand items to sell on eBay. This is one of the most requested services by eBay sellers. Key tasks, analyzing sold listings for pricing trends, identifying products with low competition and high demand, checking supplier sites. If drop shipping siya, you need to check yung mga price niya. So pro tip, focus on items with high selling through rate. Use Seek Analytic to track top performing listings. Consider seasonality and trends if summer for Christmas, holidays, ayan, kung pang winter. So your role, you'll help save your client hours of guesswork by recommending winning products. So, product research, specific shop or product, maghahanap ka ng product for client. This is this task, kunyari merong supplier na pagkukunan si client, kunyari sa Amazon, sa Walmart. So, maghahanap kayo ng mga mabebenta na item na pwedeng i-sell ni client sa eBay niya. So, ano to siya, parang dropshipping. Um, Ako kasi yung client ko is yung mga on-hand yung mga items nila. So, hindi na ako nagpa-product research kasi yung process namin ni client is nagbibigay na lang siya sa akin ng mga photos and then yun yung inililist ko sa eBay. So, direct na siya. So, next is when creating listings. Ang overview natin is creating optimized listing is one of your core responsibilities. A well-structured listing leads to better visibility and more sales. So, key element important sa listing is yung title, description, photos, pricing, and shipping info. So, sa product title, yan yung dapat nyo pag-aralan kung paano yung pag-build ng product title na searchable siya. Sa description, kailangan marunong din kayong gumawa ng description, yung copy na tinatawag pagdating sa e-commerce listing or eBay listing, yung copy niya, it means yung description ng item sa bandang baba. Yan yung about the item. Kailangan correct, kailangan tama yung all about the item, kung kunyari saan siya made, ano yung size, ano yung available colors, yung mga measurements, ayan. Kailangan alam no paano mag-build niyan. So, it's a huge plus if marunong kayong gumawa ng copy for product listings. So, photos, hindi naman na tayo require na mag-edit palagi, pero may clients na gusto nilang ini-edit, ginagawang white background, ayan, or ini-enhance, ini-edit ng pinapaganda ng konti. Kung madilim yung picture ng item niya, medyo edit natin yan, gagawin natin, papa-bright natin ng konti. So, pricing and shipping info, may clients na gusto nilang ikaw yung mag-research about sa price, uh, check mo yung competitor niya, kung magkano yung price ng competitor niya, level mo lang doon. But, yung mostly sa clients, is hindi naman sila talaga mismo nagpa-pricing yan. Pwera na lang kung dropshipping yan. Kailangan, ikaw talaga yung magko-compute ng kung magkano yung price dun sa items na yun. So, um,